Uh, Here I'm showing you to how to make installer for your application. First of all, I have created the empty and new application. This has nothing done yet in this project, and only I add the label, simple label. Next, we right click on our solution, add new project, and in our list we scroll down to the bottom. We have setup wizard, which you have to install Microsoft Visual Studio installer package for that. After that, you will have this option in here. Click next. We put setup as a name, create. I just click next until finish. Okay, now we have this setup in here. You right click on the file system on target machine, and you select system folder. In the system folder, you right click, add file. If you are 64-bit machine, you have to go to drive C and Windows, sys 64, and you search for uninstaller.exe file. Here is the uninstaller file. Click open. Before we do any of these changes, so first of all, the condition we say not installed. Permanent, we say true. System, we say true. Transitive, true. Vital, false. This is all we have to do. Now if we want to add the shortcut of this uninstaller into our start menu here, we right click, we say create shortcut, change the name, we say uninstaller, and here I make a folder, random, and if I back here, I just drag it to this part. Here we need to right click in our click on our setup. We have product code, we select it, copy, back here, and argument, we say --x, and we paste it here. If you want to give your uninstaller icon here, you can do it, but before that you need to add your icon in application folder. Let me try for now. Okay, this is icon. If I come to uninstaller, click, we say icon, browse, application folder, here, this one. And for our application, we need, in the applications folder, we need to add project output, primary output, select. We can make shortcut of this one. Let's say uninstaller app. This will be our application name. I put the shortcut in desktop. Also, I make another shortcut on uninstaller app. I put this shortcut in my system. Okay, this will be our uninstaller, and this will be our application itself. Let's just change it to app so it will be more clear. And for the icon, again, I choose the same icon. Okay, for the uninstaller, let's rename here as well. Here also I change the icon. So far so good. Now the next, we need to add our installer into our registry. Come right click, view registry, under local machine, software, make new key, Microsoft Windows current version and our application name .exe. Here we need to make two strings and path. For the default value we put our folder and we say app.exe, and for our path just add our path, and basically that's it. So let me rebuild my application for once, so you get all the new files such as icon I added. Okay, successful. Now we are building our setup file. Okay, successful. Okay, before we install our setup file, rebuild and now we install our app. So if we come to the start menu, we should have here on the folder, app and uninstaller. If you click on uninstaller, are you sure? But before I do this, we also have the shortcut in our desktop. Uninstall, yes. And now our application is uninstalled. If we go to I, there is no folder.